We've had classics. Let's try something more contemporary. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making the paper plane. For those of you that may not know, the paper plane was created in response to the 2007 song Paper Planes by M.I.A. And it was actually a song within the movie Slumdog Millionaire. Now, this cocktail was created by Sam Ross, who is of Milk and Honey fame. He created this for Toby Maloney, who was looking for another cocktail for his Chicago bar after he had cut his teeth in Milk and Honey as well under the late Sasha Petrosky. Never had it. It utilizes an Amaro, or a bittering agent known as Amaro Nonino, and it's very similar to a Last Word. Never had it. Why not? Let's try it. It's a shaken cocktail. Grab a shaker. And now that you've grabbed that shaker, we're going to go in equal parts. So, first, lemon juice. Now I need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And now I need 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol, or Aperol, whatever you want to call it. If you remember, Aperol is a slightly sweeter version of Campari. And now I need Amaro Nonino. First time using it. Decent pop. 3/4 of an ounce as well of Amaro Nonino. And finally, the last 3/4 of an ounce of bourbon. I'm using Buffalo Trace. Pick a bourbon, doesn't matter. And now, of course, grab your ice. Okay, ice cube in. Good. Add your cocktail. Good. Make sure we're good. Get that out of the way. Pop to make sure. Go. Take a Nick and Nora. Grab yourself a Hawthorne and strain on in. And this is a paper plane. Cheers. I like that. You have a little bit of the bitterness because the lemon juice, the Aperol, but the Amaro Nonino and the bourbon really help balance it. You know, you get the flavor of the bourbon, but this is a very, very nice cocktail. It's, it's lighter than I was anticipating because, as I said, it is a variant on a Last Word, but this is, it's surprisingly sweet compared to what I was thinking, and this is nice. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, check down below to a link to kit.co, which has everything I use in affiliate links for Amazon, which you know how that is. You can find all my socials also down in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.